Hey divas, so in today's video I'm here to share with you guys this unit that I am rocking right now. So if you guys aren't interested, then definitely keep on watching. Okay divas, so before we jump right into this video, I did want to let you guys know that this video is being brought to you guys by an Amazon seller, so thank you so much. Shout out to you. I will have all their links in the description box below, so be sure to go ahead and check that out. But anyways, without further ado, if you guys want all the details and the specs on this hair and how I style it and everything, then definitely keep on watching.
Okay divas, so jumping right in, today we have a 22-inch curly unit. So here's how it looks straight out of the package. I just wanted to show you guys what it looks like before I do anything to the wig or alter it. So here is the cap construction. Has standard cap construction. As you guys can see, this is a 4x4. This unit does need a little bit of work, so that's what we're going to do now. I'm going to go in and pluck this unit, and then I'm also going to be bleaching the knots. So I'm just plucking as much as I can. I do get a little bit lazy when it comes to plucking. I really prefer like pre-plucked wigs, to be quite honest, because I just don't have the patience for plucking it. But your girl tried, okay? So now I'm gonna move on to bleaching the knots, because of course that is going to be essential if I want my wigs to look really, really natural. So now I've washed and conditioned the hair and bleached the knots. And I also did like tone it with purple shampoo so that it doesn't look all brassy and stuff. And now I'm going in with the lightweight concealer, oh my gosh, excuse me you guys, a lightweight conditioner. Get the makeup off your mind. And I'm gonna go on with this dimming brush. I got this from the beauty supply store, or I guess it's like a wet brush, I don't know. But I thought it was really cute because it was pink, and I was like, ooh, I can use that for my curly hair. But anyways, here is the hair. It was like 98% dry, nearly almost dry. So here's how the unit looks on my head. I'm gonna go in and install the hair. You guys see me do this all the time, so I'm gonna kind of rush through it. But I'll let you guys watch it, and of course I'll finish out with my closing thoughts.
She a gypsy girl, she a fine like the sunrise. The way she move make a man cry. I'm feeling her so I want more. That me blow. Tell me what you want and know. Me I no go lose control. Bad man I feel your flow. Wine I'm slow. This one will be private show. That me blow. Tell me what you want and know. I go give you all and more. Bad man I feel your flow.
Okay divas, so now that you guys have seen all the details and the specs on this hair, I am here to tell you guys how I feel about it, so let's just jump right in. Okay divas, so today we have a curly unit. As you guys can see, this is a 4x4 and it is 24 inches. So I'm just going to get right into the pros and the cons of everything. So this hair is really, really beautiful. As you guys can see, it is like fully dried now. I did let it dry overnight. And then I also had it, you know, I had it on for a while because I did do my makeup and then I was doing other stuff. So yeah, I've had this wig on for a while. So this is it in its completely dry state. You can go ahead and do like a method to where you get that wet look all the time. But for me personally, I love curly hair in its natural state. Like it just looks really, really beautiful and more natural in my opinion. I think it's important when you're trying to see the quality of curly hair, you do let it dry down all the way, especially after you've washed it and everything. And I think that this hair is really nice. It's very, very soft, and it still has a very beautiful curl pattern. It has gotten a lot of volume since it has dried, and it just looks really beautiful. I also really love the length on this as well. I think this will be very, very perfect for the summertime, and this unit is very affordable. As far as shedding and tangling, I did experience some shedding and some tangling, which is to be expected because this is a curly unit, okay? You are going to get shedding and you're going to get tangling, okay? And especially because I did go in and pluck it a little bit, I was expecting to get a little bit more of shedding because of the fact that I did go in and pluck it. So I knew when I washed it to expect that. Was not anything excessive, excuse me, I can't talk, but it wasn't anything excessive or anything to the point where I'll be like, girl, no, you need to run and don't spend your coin. This is definitely really nice, very affordable. The hair quality is very, very nice. I think 4x4s are amazing. You guys know I even installed my frontals like 4x4s, okay, because that's just the easy way to go. So I feel like this wig is perfect. I would definitely recommend it to you, especially if you are a beginner or you just don't like you know, to glue down a frontal, you know, all the way across your hairline, which I'm lazy most of the time. I don't want to do it. So yeah, if you like easy, you know, easy breezy wigs for the summer, I would definitely recommend this one. I feel like it is just so beautiful, and as you guys can see, you know, I don't even have to say anything. Like, look at these beautiful curls. It's just so beautiful and full, and I am here for it. If you guys are interested, I will have a link down in the description box below, so be sure to go ahead and check that out. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I do hope that you guys enjoyed this video and found it very helpful and easy to follow. If you did, then please go ahead and give your girl a thumbs up. Be sure to leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think. Let me know, will you be getting this hair, or what kind of hairstyle are you gonna be rocking this summer? Let me know. I want to know, what will you be rocking this summer? And be sure to go ahead and subscribe if you haven't done so already, and also hit that notification bell. I do upload quite often. You definitely don't want to miss any of my videos. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. I greatly appreciate it, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.